Hi, I am Viram Datta, Personality Skills Mentor of VLCC Femina Miss India. This is the Personality Rich series and today's topic is important skills needed to succeed. Public speaking. The ability to speak clearly, persuasively and impactfully in front of an audience, whether an audience of one or thousands, is one of the most important skills you can develop. No matter what field you're in, whether you're preparing for a work presentation or a beauty pageant, being able to speak well means you can sell anything. Products, yes, but also worldviews and yourself. Effective communication. Communication is simply defined as delivery of information. Effective communication, however, is when that information is received by the audience. Albert Einstein said, "If you can't explain it simply, you just don't understand it well enough." Simplicity and clarity while communicating is key, and being an effective listener will really help you hone that skill. Leadership. Having the skills to be able to coach and empower others and to motivate those around you to do their best work is highly valued for success. For some, leadership comes naturally, but what's important to know is that leadership can be acquired too. With enough practice, you can develop yourself and grow as an effective leader. Adaptability. Oprah Winfrey once said that the greatest discovery of all time is that a person can change his future by merely changing his attitude. Change is the only constant, and adapting to that change is our only prerogative. The desire to constantly learn. Alvin Toffler said, "The illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn." Success is less about what you already know, but more about constantly growing and expanding yourself. Remember, what's gotten you here won't get you there. Master these skills and climb the ladder of success. Thank you.